and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna learn how to weld. I only tried it like once, so this is kind of new to me, and I bought this old welder last weekend, so hopefully it will work. The first part in this video will be just cleaning it up, and then the next part will be installing the gas and make sure everything works. And then we're gonna try to weld a exhaust system for a moped. So that is today's video, and hopefully you like it, and hopefully we can get some weld on that exhaust system in the end of this video. So please keep watching and click subscribe and like the video, and please leave a comment or so. And hopefully in the end of this video, as I said, we should have a weld on the exhaust system. So let's begin.
Yo, let's do this. Got picture homie rolling. Let me offer my condolence. You don't know just how I'm doing. And the silence gold I'm broke cause they know him for talking fluent. Got him under the influence, the truest for talking to him. With a Kanye ego bumping him out music, I'm eschewing. I just doing good a day, gonna have to get explicit. I got love for rappers like I do for my fucking ex-bitches. And I got that pass, so I'm gonna ask permission if I could kick it. Checking the repertoire, I got that rep on par with the best who did it. I just get it how I'm living. Shout out to the ones that with them. Think that I wanted a ransom with ends gold dog when I'm in the building. And it kind of ironic, who would've thought that I'd be the hottest? Never came close to being no bitch, but you know Snow was a fucking product. Tell me who won it, not what you wanted, bound to be.
There it was. Okay, so it actually works this far. So now we clean it off a bit, so now we can see what it actually says on this sign over here. And you got some different settings. It's like speed, pause length and stuff. I don't know how much I will dig into that. What I understand is this is like the power or something, and this is the speed. So those are the two most important ones to adjust to fit your what you're welding and your settings. So now we'll install the gas in the rear of this welder, but it's good so far. This welder works, so now we will install the gas. This is something I've never done before, as I said, so we'll see if we have some instructions. Ensure that the appropriate regulator is selected for the type of gas being used. So this is argon, I don't know what's called in English, argon, and this is a gas regulator for argon and argon mix. Get rid of this one. There you go. Get this in here. There you go. Then we're gonna let's see if this biggie works. Yeah. There we go. Then we're gonna see if we just squeeze it on here. There we go. Just secured a little bit so it doesn't fall over. I'm gonna get another strap for it, I think, so it is more secure. But that should be it. And let's see. that is leaking quite a bit. There we go. It was just a little bit loose, so now that it's all tight, it is up and running. You see that one back here. Getting closer. I'm preparing the helmet, so on this one from Jula in Sweden, just put in 2 AAA batteries in here. You press it on the top here, and then you got a sensitivity switch where you can choose how sensitive it should be, and then you have this like plexiglass. Here we go. Let's see how it looks. Awesome. The work we're gonna do tonight is put this bracket back onto this exhaust. So this is for his old moped that is broken at the moment, and we tried to fix it before but it didn't work out. So he got a old one from, oh, can you hear it? Well, yeah, so that is broken, and we're gonna repair it by putting this one back. So it's gonna be something like this. Just gonna need to find the right spot where it's cracked, like that, something. So my plan is that I'm gonna just grind off the first edge here without messing it up too much, and then we're gonna try to weld it back. Easy peasy. Okay, I'm a bit nervous, but hopefully this will go alright. I'll just try to do one like on this one to get it attached, and then we will try to make it a full circle. Okay. I'll probably burn myself, but whatever. I don't know about this earth. What to say? Just gonna try to unbolt this one and make a new earth, because it might be like just that it doesn't ground good enough. So that's why it doesn't work. So that is my next step here, to just fix that. So I'll be right back. So, a couple of minutes later, we got a better earth now. I just cut the wire and then shaved it. So, got better connection now, I think. So let's try. Put on the exhaust and then we try again. So, hold your thumb or cross your fingers. I need to do some grinding, but it's getting closer. I know it doesn't look much to you, but this is the first welding I've done on my own. It's like a big chunk of weld on there. So I'm just gonna let this cool off, and then I'm gonna try to grind it down a bit and see if I got it solid. So I get back to you when I've grinded it down, and let's see if we're gonna do some more welding.
More moments later.
Sorry guys, I forgot to put it on the camera. Oh shit. I gotta work on my YouTube skills. Okay, sorry about that. Grinded it down. The welds that I did was a bit tricky to reach everywhere, but I grinded it down where I reached with the grinder, and then I just sprayed on some heat resistant paint because the exhaust is getting quite hot as you go. This is the final product. So welded it together, grinded it down, and then painted it with some black heat resistant paint. So you can see on the inside there I couldn't reach with the grinder, so that was a bit tricky, so that's quite messy in there, but this will be under the moped, so shouldn't be too much fuss about it. So I did it. We cleaned the welder off a bit, we installed the gas, and we fired it off, and it seemed to work pretty good in the beginning, but then we had some issues with the welding. The thread was coming out, but it didn't weld. We tried different settings, but then as I thought, I think it's the ground cable on the welder that wasn't good, and then when I find a good spot on the exhaust, it worked very, very good. So I'm very pleased with the result. A lot of mosquitoes out here. So now I'm gonna return this to my friend so he can keep going on his scooter. Yeah, that's about it for today. So now I'm just gonna clean this off, and then I'm gonna jump in a shower and I'm gonna watch some TV. But before you leave, I hope you press subscribe, thumbs up, and give me a comment. I will soon put out a new video on the Chrysler. I'm having some work to do on that one before. I'm going to keep on teasing you with my new project that is coming up, and next episode I'm going to have some very big news for you about something else, and eventually you will see about that as well. So ciao for now, and see you next time. Ciao.